Hey guys, it's Pie or Victor, whatever you guys want to call me. I got a tattoo, my first one. Um, Me and my buddy Ryan drew this. I know the camera's not picking up so well, but there's a wolf head right here, and it's like a family crest that we came up together with. And then um, we originally had the Roman numerals. That didn't work. The Roman numerals were on the blade, but the guy who did the tattoo, his name is Henry, really cool guy. He's actually a friend of mine now. We play League together, which is really cool. And he actually took that out and then put it down here, and I like that a lot more. And then it means it's 6/11/2000. That's when my grandpa died. I was born on the seventh month of the sixth day in 2000. So I never, met him, but I'm named after him. So I thought it'd be a nice little tribute to him. But today we're gonna open up Hidden Fates, a Raichu collection box that I found at Walmart today. Usually my Walmart doesn't have any Hidden Fates really restocked or anything like that, or nothing like that. It's the first time I've actually ever opened up a Hidden Fates pack, so I'm excited about that. I got another giant jumbo card, so I guess it fits with the dog. And then, yeah, so open it up. If I can. I'm always bad at opening up these. There we go. So throw that on the ground, make a giant mess in my nice clean room. Try to open this on camera so it looks cool. Cool. We got a Raichu GX card. It's a little bent because, boosters or whatever these things always come in bent because they don't package it right, I don't think. I know when I see like Max Malfoy's videos, they seem to package it nicer. I'm gonna open up a penny sleeve. Just sleeve it up. Put in a nice top loader as well. Cool. Set to the side. Take out the 4 packs it comes with. Ooh, these are a little bent. The packaging feels weird. Hopefully it's not a resealed one, like one that somebody already bought and then repackaged it. That'd be really lame. Giant Raichu card. Put that in the background. Cool. Yeah, no, it's like bent. It's like, what? And it just feels weird right here. I think these are repackaged. Cause all of, like, it's glued right here. Unless these are here. Yeah, I think they're repackaged. That's that side. I'm not home. I'm just gonna. Okay, that's a rare. I'm not gonna do a card trick and then reverse hollow. Maybe they're not? Or just glue sealed? Cause it's on this one too. That's really weird. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of the energy. We got Graveler. We got Jinx, Charmeleon, Ekans, Caterpie, Paris, Charmander, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Clefable. Huh. Might be real. But it's just like right there, it's like glued. It's really weird actually. Let's get the code. 1, 2, 3. Got Brock's Grit. We got Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, another Slowpoke, Magikarp, Pikachu, Voltorb, Coughing, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, and Electrode. Oh, forgot to get rid of the Fire Energy. And the last pack. That's just really weird. That oops. Get rid of the code. 1, 2, 3. And these are bent. We got Brock's Grit, Charmeleon, Misty's Gym, Clefairy, Psyduck, Ekans, Caterpie, Paris, Caterpie, and Bills. Huh. Interesting. No hits. Oh well. But that's just weird. I'm just making sure they're all from the same set. Yeah. It's all from the same set. It could be somebody opened it and resealed. And just put like a random rare in it because like these are all bent. And there's glue just like right there on the packaging. Like I wish I had a better I guess it's a crusty right here. Like they opened it. Yeah, it's just weird. That's very weird. Alright, well, that's really unfortunate opening. I guess in other ways, maybe they took the code and I can try using that. But one rare, I'm just double checking now, because that's just really weird. 2 rares. That's 3. Just look for the shiny, I guess. Yeah, that's 4, but oh well. That kind of sucks if it is repackaged. Cause oh man. Guess the barcode too. Yeah, I don't know if you see that there's another barcode and damn. I just thought, oh maybe it's something different. Or you know, they're trying to do it on sale because I got it for a lot cheaper than normal prices. I got it for 15 instead of 20. And it's really weird. Oh well. Yeah, I guess that's it. At least I got a giant Raichu and a Raichu. Alright, well,